We've brought together 50 bankruptcy attorneys, one from every state,
Can I keep my car?
What about my house?
Can I rebuild my ACE, my
How does the
341
means
meter?
test work?
to answer the most common, most misunderstood questions about bankruptcy. Real answers from lawyers who do this every day. If you want to be connected with a lawyer in your state for a free consultation, see the link in the description.
What exactly is a Chapter 7 bankruptcy? Buzzing in to give us our first big picture, Rory Vohwinkel from Nevada. Rory, break into it for us.
So the Chapter 7 bankruptcy is what they call a fresh start bankruptcy. And that's what it's looking to do, is wipe out all of your debt and leave you with a fresh start. Most people think that when they file bankruptcy, they're going to lose all of their assets and they're going to never have good credit again. And that's the furthest thing from the truth. Bottom line is it's going to wipe out credit card debt, medical debt, payday loans, repossessions, breach of lease, most things that you're looking to get rid of. The Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a short version of getting rid of all this debt. You're done in about 90 days. The whole process may take you about 4 months. It's a very simple process of gathering some documents, filling out some paperwork, attending a short meeting with the trustee via Zoom, and then waiting your 60 days to get your discharge. 95% of clients that file Chapter 7 bankruptcies have no issues. And that's why it's really important to talk to an attorney before you file to make sure that you don't have assets that a trustee would want to try to take in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The first thing to determine is whether or not you qualify. So not everybody qualifies for a Chapter 7. So you can't make too much money. It's based on your median income for your state. So it's important to figure out what the median income is. But even if you're slightly over that and you think that you may not qualify, there still may be a possibility of qualifying if you don't pass what's called the means test. That's a very complicated, calculation that an attorney can walk you through once they know what your income is and your expenses are. So it's a very simple process to wipe out most debts that most people are looking to get rid of. And it's a way to help you to rebuild your credit sooner rather than later. Most of our clients have better credit scores a year after they file than when they filed before. So in a nutshell, that's what Chapter 7 is.
Great bird's eye view, Rory. If you're in Nevada or anywhere in the country and want to talk to a pre-vetted bankruptcy attorney to answer your questions, all for free, simply click the link in the description and you'll be on your way.
Thanks for watching. If you're stressed about debt, don't guess. One of our 50 bankruptcy lawyers has your answer. Like this video and subscribe to stay informed.